talent on Portmore Mall, alright? So this is 100% talent first official audition, alright? So we have talent from all over Jamaica competing for the grand prize of $300,000. This is the first official audition. We had pre-auditions in many Portmore Talent Showcase, and now we are at the first audition. Without further delay, make some noise for our judges as I introduce to you our first judge, Miss Patricia Morris. Miss Patricia Morris is a teacher. Okay, so experiencing a bit of technical difficulty, but it's okay. The show will go on, alright? So, Miss Patricia Morris is a teacher by day. She's an actress and stage manager by night, and she has over 16 years of experience under her belt, eh? So walk around, Miss Patricia Morris. Make them see what 16 years on stage look like. Walk around yourself. Make them see no judgment. Walk around. We want to see what 16 years look like.
Check.
She has over 16 years of experience in the performing arts. Yeah.
Alright.
Next up we have Miss Shanice Enriquez, and she's an actress, a singer, and also a radio personnel. Miss Shanice Enriquez. Right. Say, if you walk around to down, walk around, judge. Right. Walk around, make the people and see you.
Yo, I want that sound sweet.
Yeah, so she played Michelle Stay in the radio drama that used to run on Sun City, and she was awesome, eh? And she does a lot of drama and movies and so on. Alright, next up we have Mr. Kerry Tucker, and he's a he's a promotion manager. And his company is Street People Entertainment Inc. and it's a record company production. I got that right? Yeah. Yes? Alright, so make some noise for Mr. Tucker. I'm gonna have to ask him to walk around the man. Alright, see the ladies, them man.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and I am your host, Riquez Enriquez, and we're here to have fun, to showcase talent, and also to ensure that all the contestants, and trust me, you're all winners, alright? But what I want to see you winning cash prizes, eh? Who there for win money? Oh, no, no, sound like we don't want the money, man. I was told that you can win between 5,000 to 100,000 each week. Each week you can win between 5 to 100,000 in category prizes.
Nah, man, I lie.
Wanna say, who want the money? Okay, and there is a grand purse of $300,000, alright? So, definitely how this works, alright? So each contestant is given two sheets of votes, alright? So like any other voting show, you will go and you will sell these votes for $250 each. There is, however, double votes, and they are in yellow so you can see, alright? So the double votes value twice the amount, alright? And they carry twice the weight. Alright, so the top 20 performers that sell the most vote, it's top 10. The top 10 performers that sell the most vote will perform for the judges. So the show is put in two categories. There's a speed round, and in the speed round, you just perform for the camera and move to the next performer. Perform for the camera, move to the next performer. So if we have 100 participants in the talent show, it's only 10 person that will perform for the judges. It's different now because we're in audition. Alright, so everybody going to sit the judges. The judges will be looking at everyone tonight and for the other auditions. However, when it comes to showtime, you need to ensure that you're in the top 10 if you want to see the judges. Otherwise, you will be performing in the speed round for the camera. Alright? Okay, so we will be starting the show. If you're a performer, the stage manager is here. She will call on you and you will come backstage 3 at a time. Alright? The show must run and we will not be looking for anyone. If I call you and you're not here, then naturally you just may be disqualified. Alright? So if you know you're here, if you're in the hearing of my voice, then draw near to the stage so the stage manager can find you when it's your turn. Alright, say 100% talent!
100% talent!
What's up? Well, Andy, it's not work good. Alright, make we try it. Say 100% talent!
100% talent!
The show loud. Mr. DJ, kick off a song.